Namaskar, and my name is Amit. What I'm going to show you in this video is a kind of a SWAT template that I've designed for one of my associate partners, or can say someone who is actually going through a challenge of around 9 days. In this 9 days challenge, basically he wants to finish everything by the seventh day. Now, this can be a normal tracker that you can use it for your coaching programs, your career, your profession, your day-to-day jobs, anything that you can take up probably 1 or 2 days or 7 days kind of challenge like this. So taking you through the kind of the SWOT tracker, how does it work? So if you can see that day one is from today itself and till the day 7th, which is on 18th of January, he is trying to finish off something. Okay, so this is the completion date. On 19th, he needs to do a kind of a review. And on the day 9th, which is the final day, you can set your SWOT calendars into kind of a complete milestones. He's planning to finish everything on the final presentation is on Monday. Well, so this is something, the particulars, you can change the way your particulars are. So number one is scale of job accomplishment on that particular day. So let's say today you have accomplished anything less than 6 is fine, and tomorrow is this. So as in when you put in across, what is going to happen is in this area, which I don't want you to just touch it. This is something what's going to happen is the average points is going to reflect here with the color change. So if the average is less than 5, it's going to be showing blue. If the average goes high and more than something which is 5, the color changes. And if it is still high, let's say you are consecutively doing something great and you are reaching to more than success ratio, it becomes green. And the comments here is, still it goes to the next level. Okay, just your average, keep rocking. I mean, you can use whatever the templates you want. This has been designed in a single page. You don't have to do anything. Only thing is you have to do is you have to click here and put your numbers here. That's it. That's the only thing. And if you want to change anything, just delete it across. This is just normal delete, and you will see all these things changes. Right. So what I want you to do is level of confidence gain. Now, this is the main part: is how you actually give your process a feedback, how you give quality control, and how you rank at yourself. So I don't want people to waste time into this. This is a kind of an investment of only 10 seconds or maximum 30 seconds. You don't have to do anything beyond that. So in this 10 seconds, what you want to do is just click here, select a number of your stuff, because this rating and ranking and tracking is all for yourself. It is not for somebody else. You can exactly check where exactly you are right now, today, tomorrow, and every day. And at the end of the day, you can find out which day was the most productive day. And then you can stop, pause, and ponder over of those elements by which you had been the most productive person, or you are the most efficient person, or that day was not good for you. Why? So that reasoning is something that you can give yourself. So if that why is something that can be dealt, no one can stop you to the next, right? So this is the 3-4 points I have written it down on the particulars. It can be implemented in any industry, any business, anything. And this is not that you can still continue it, with your own versionizations. So this template is 100% editable. You can save the link and just make a copy of it, and now you can use it by yourself. So the first point I've written it is scale of job accomplishment on that particular day. You can put whatever. Let's say I have done an average of around 60%. I write 6. Level of confidence gain. Oh man, I was really confident enough to something like this. Okay. Level of knowledge about the subject, and yeah, this day was something which was very productive for me. I learned a lot of stuff, so I give myself a 7. Reference of people meeting on the same project or an idea. Well, I have not met anyone, but I have identified certain people. But I'm going to be finding them, more about this tomorrow. I want to talk about what I am trying to do. Okay, so I'll just put 2. Overall progress speed. Okay, something not bad. This is something I'm going to keep it here. And accuracy and efficiency. Yes, I was really working on my efficiency, so I would like to give myself as 8, right? And level of identification. What is this? Level of identifying the distractions and copying out the same. Yes, I've identified there are a lot of distractions are there. What is happening with me is I am getting bugged up with a lot of this kind of messages and mails which is coming back and all this notifications. So I have decided to stop everything right now and focus 100% on this. But at least I have identified. So for me, I give myself as an 8. How good was I am in ideating about today's task? Okay, I was very good about this, and I was able to make this tracker and all those things. So I give myself as a 9. Are you satisfied with your overall involvement and indulgence? I will not say I'm very happy, but let's put it on a very handy way. I'm just making 7. So on the right hand side, you get my average points. Every day this point is gonna be like increasing, and these are the kind of comments. I'm just copying the entire thing and I'm just posting it here. So yep, this is something which is gonna be happening on a day-to-day basis. So this template is right now free. It's You can download this. I'm giving you the link. Please copy it and you can use it on your own self. I'm sure this is going to help. I think to check where exactly you are. And I try to kind of do a kind of a small version of a tutorial like this. And if you find this is unhelpful, you can share it with others. If you find this is something really good that you can do yourself, as I said, this is something that you can change the way you want. You can write your own text. Might be you can say, okay, how much time I was able to give it for my family and friends. You can make it bigger. You can make it much more things. But this is an overall template that can help, I think, millions of people who can see themselves growing. If you don't want to have an 8 days review, delete it to might be a 5 days review. Leave the other things blank, and I think this is going to be working as it is. So what you need to do is right now is comment below if you really think that this is going to help you back, and I'll come again with much more better, bigger templates. And as I said, if you need something, you can type it back. You can find out your queries, and if I can help you out like this, and if you can increase your productivity, because I strongly believe you can be definitely better than what you are today. And this is all about how you think yourself. And this is one part of influencing yourself. The program that I do, it is a 37 days program by which you are constantly getting to that level. On the 30th day, you make your own enterprise and you work out with the credibility that you want to have. With me, my name is Amit, and see you around for one more amazing sessions of influencing yourself. This is a productivity template, and stay blessed, stay shining, and keep doing the hard work. Bye-bye.